Now we're going to start looking at the QTI sensors and a simple line following algorithm that you can do with your BOE-Bot. So the first thing we want to do is we want to add the QTI sensor, we'll just add one, to the BOE-Bot. And then we'll take a look at the theory of operation of it, and then we'll actually write a program to use it and look at how we can actually detect colors of the surface of what the BOE-Bot is on. So the first thing that we should do, or you should do, is you should add one of these QTI sensors. Okay, and so if you look at this picture, let's just start with one. We're just going to put one QTI sensor down and just look at whether it can detect light or dark. And you're going to use the 1/7 inch screw provided with the QTI kit, and then there's an unthreaded spacer, a threaded standoff, and then there's a 3-inch screw. But go ahead and put an extra nylon washer in there that comes with the kit, and that's just going to get the sensor lower to the surface. I've noticed that it actually works a little bit better if you just put that nylon in there. Go ahead and center it in the frame right here, and it's going to come with one of these red, white, black cables, the same cable that you use for your servo motors. And you're going to run the wiring up through the grommet, and then you're going to insert it into your breadboard. The way that you do it is you use this little 3-pin header that it comes with, and you'll actually put the 3-pin header in your breadboard, and then you can jumper wire to +5 ground and an input. The way you should wire it is the white should go to +5, red should go to, let's use the pin 2 of the Arduino, and then put the black one to ground. Now be very careful that this is not the same cable, or this is not the same pinout as the servo headers, so you can't plug it into a servo header and use one of those. They have the white and the red swapped.